Hey everybody, Roy's Garage, and today's episode we're back on some vintage CZ parts and got all the body work done on these parts, and we got our first primer on the areas that we needed to prime, so we can block that out and make sure that we can get this stuff as straight as we possibly can within reason. And after I block out the areas I had to do body work on, I will do a final prime on the complete parts itself. And then of course after that, wet sand with 600, and well, before that actually, go ahead and jam the inside of the tanks, which are bare metal, and jam the inside of this fender and these two fenders here that are aftermarket, which are stamped, and we talked about they're all wrinkled and shit on the sides, so minimal body filler to smooth that out, but still another time-consuming task with making these parts look as nice as we can. And then we got to jam all the insides afterwards, after we're done with our final primer, and then wet sand and paint. So this stuff isn't easy, people. It takes time. And it takes patience. Alright, we'll catch you later.